This is a 6-pack, also called a pony pack. They use this for annual color production and for seed propagation. This is a 4-inch container. We generally use these for fresh cuttings that have rooted, or we fill it with soil and direct stick our succulents. This is a 6-inch, which isn't on your list, but we use these to bump plants up from 4-inch pots. 1 gallons are used for annuals and perennials, and sometimes even succulents. We also use them for plant divisions. 5 gallons are generally used for large shrubs and trees. We even bump up 1 gallons into this size. Flats will hold a wide array of pots. It will hold 9 6-packs, 16 4-inch rounds, 25 4-inch squares, and 9 6-inch. This is a soilless media, a mix of several components you'll see next, plus redwood bark formulated for water holding, aeration, and drainage. Because it's pre-mixed, you can use it on any plants your heart desires. Perlite is a silica-based material of volcanic origin. Some of the pros is it has a high water holding capacity and a neutral pH. Some of the cons of using this product is it has no buffering capacity, which means it does not balance the pH, and it has no cation exchange capacity, so it doesn't hold nutrients either. It can also be a respiratory irritant if you breathe it in, so I recommend using a mask when you're using this product. Vermiculite is made from heating magnesium, aluminum, iron silicate. Heating process sterilizes this product. Some of the pros of using vermiculite is it has a high water holding capacity and good buffering capacity, or ability to keep pH more balanced. It also has a high cation exchange, which means it has the ability to hold nutrients well. Some of the cons, it can be easily compacted, and it has questionable sustainability as it is a mined material. Peat moss is the remains of an aquatic marsh, bog, or swamp vegetation that has been preserved underwater in a partially decomposed state. Some of the pros for peat moss is it resists compaction and provides good aeration, which also means it holds water well. Some of the cons is it's hard to re-wet and is not very uniform, and may need to be broken up by hand or sifted to make uniform. Sustainability is questionable because it is harvested from bogs in the northern USA. It is also slightly acidic. Sphagnum moss is a living plant that grows on top of bogs. It is dried for commercial use and can be used as a decorative material in pots to cover the bare soil. It also is used in various orchid mixes and for air layering propagation. Unfortunately, it's really hard to re-wet once dry. This is generally how it's sold in really large compacted blocks. For labels, we like to use pencil or wax crayon, as these don't fade in the sun like markers would. This is Osmocote, a slow-release complete fertilizer, which has all the micro and macronutrients needed to feed the plant. Over time, moisture will break it down, and so will the sun. This is rooting hormone, which mimics hormones naturally produced by plants to initiate rooting. Water breakers or shower heads disperse the water pressure to reduce soil compaction and plant damage. Masks are used to protect from dusty, soilless materials.